Hey everyone, so this would be an unboxing of an Amazon renewed premium iPhone 13 mini. So right from the get-go you can see this is actually a nicer packaging than we get with the non-premium renewed. I'll make a separate video on that. Yeah, this is a lot nicer looking packaging wise than the non-renewed. So this is the iPhone 13 mini. We will come back to that in a moment. It is really vacuum sealed in there. That is good. Open me first. You got your SIM removal tool, and then we got quick start guides and whatnot. So I believe this comes with 1 year of warranty compared to 90-day warranty. We got a cable, of course, lightning charge and sync cable. 3-foot one, as you see there, 3 foot. And then unlike actual new iPhone, well, new iPhones, you actually get a charger block with it. Of course, this is not an iPhone one. This is a Shark. So this is a Shark, but of course yours might come with some different. And this does not tell me what the wattage is. That is it. So you do get the actual little charger with it, which is cool. Again, you do not get that with the, or you do get that with the non-premiums as well, but not with the brand new iPhone. So let's see how this looks. So this is all nice and packaged up, and this is Starlight. What I got here is Starlight. This is definitely more money than the non-premium, so this thing should be in basically perfect shape. Thought I already had a scratch, but it does not. That scared me for a second there. So screen looks really good. Sides look really good. Oh, there's a dent right here though. Not expecting that for a premium price. This is about $60 cheaper than buying brand new. So I don't know how I feel about that. That is definitely a big, good sized little dent there. Got some chipping here. This is actually, I think, worse condition than some non-premiums I bought in. A little bit here too. I don't know if you guys can see that. The camera's not gonna pick that up. There is some chipping here. The back looks good though. There's some smudging on there right there. Cameras look really good. There's just some smudging, but otherwise I think it looks okay. But I'm not liking this dent right here. The little scratches I can deal with. This dent, that to me is not a premium. I mean, this is more than the renewed Excellent is. Again, this was about $60 cheaper only than buying brand new. And honestly, if it comes with a dent like this, I would say just buy brand new. That's kind of disappointing. Yeah. Alright. Just a very quick unboxing of a renewed premium from Amazon iPhone Mini 13. Personally, though, I'm gonna use this for a bit to see if I like it or not, and then either exchange it for another used one like this. If I do decide to keep this phone, because I'm still trying to decide on a new phone here to replace my old Samsung Note 8. But I'm gonna use this for probably a few days, see if I even like it or not. It might be a bit too small. And yeah, either exchange it for a different one. Then just real fast, here is my actual phone I've been using, which is actually about the same size but smaller screen, the iPhone SE from 2020. Of course that's not. Alright guys, let me know what you think. I think that's rather disappointing for what is supposed to be better than excellent condition. I mean, this is the premium again. That dent is kind of a deal breaker for me. We'll see. You guys let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.